Before we move forward in this program, we're going to pause and integrate everything you've learned from day 6 through day 10, because growth doesn't happen from information alone. It happens when your nervous system, subconscious mind, and identity all catch up to the new standards you're setting for yourself. And that's exactly what this EFT tapping session is designed to do. So before we begin, sit comfortably with both feet on the ground, relax your shoulders, straighten your posture just slightly, and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then exhale fully through your mouth, letting your body settle, letting your nervous system know it's safe to release what no longer serves you. Because EFT tapping works by stimulating meridian points in the body, which are energy pathways used in traditional Eastern medicine for thousands of years. And when you tap on these points while focusing on specific thoughts, emotions, or beliefs, you send a calming signal to the brain, especially the amygdala, which is responsible for stress, fear, and emotional survival responses. And this helps reduce emotional intensity, release stored tension, and create new subconscious associations that support confidence, clarity, and identity growth. So as we tap today, you can tap on either side of the body, left or right, or both sides at the same time, because the meridians run symmetrically through the body, and the effectiveness is the same regardless of which side you choose. And as we move through this sequence, I want you to tap and repeat the words after me, letting them land naturally without forcing anything. Now, let's begin by tapping on the karate chop point on the side of your hand, and repeat after me. Even though I've spent years operating from old patterns and identities, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though part of me learned to survive instead of expand, I honor how far I've come. Even though stepping into a new identity can feel unfamiliar, I choose to feel safe becoming who I'm meant to be. Now move to the eyebrow point and tap and repeat after me. I'm releasing the old version of me that played small. Side of the eye. I'm letting go of outdated beliefs about who I am. Under the eye. I no longer need to protect myself with fear or doubt. Under the nose. I am safe to grow, evolve, and rise. Chin. I release the identity that no longer fits my future. Collarbone. I choose clarity, confidence, and self-trust. Under the arm. I honor the lessons without carrying the weight. Top of the head. I step fully into my new identity. Now take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale, allowing your body to settle even deeper. And now close your eyes and visualize yourself standing firmly in your new identity. See how you carry yourself. Notice your posture, your calm, your confidence. Feel the sense of certainty in your body. Imagine yourself making decisions from this grounded place, following through with ease, trusting yourself, and moving forward without hesitation. And let that version of you feel familiar, real, and natural, knowing this identity is no longer something you're chasing, it's something you're becoming. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling present, clear, and grounded.